Hello, everyone, and welcome to another FX Centrum daily market analysis. For today, I will go through our cross asset list. I will cover liquid markets. We'll speak about euro dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar, dollar Swiss franc, USD yen, pound dollar, USD Canadian dollar, gold market, silver, US 500, US 30, WTI, Bitcoin, dollar, coffee, and cocoa market. And of course, for the charting software, I will use our FX Centrum platform. And let's begin first with a euro dollar currency pair. So we have a daily time frame. And yesterday we had pretty much inside day. 2 days ago, we had a pin bar, so selling tail just around this upper Bollinger Band and standard deviation on the daily time frame. And so far we have the rules for the inside day. We have a support at 1.0, I would say 893, and the resistance is pin bar high at 1.1008. So I would like to see potential breakout of either support or resistance to confirm further direction. And this is environment which is a pretty much, you can see also hourly is doing the consolidation. So we have the, I would like to see the breakout in order to confirm further direction. So until then, market can still just do more consolidation, spend more time in building this, basically do the range development, and then eventually start a breakout. On the Australian dollar, US dollar, we had quite a big buying tail. And this was quite a significant climax. You can see the pin bar close near the high just from the lower Bollinger Band. RSI, you can see here is getting now towards 37. It's still trading below 50 mark, but still this strong buying climax and the pin bar mark the end of the downside market and the beginning of the short-term upside movement. The market is now building higher high and higher low, and we had the breakout of the pin bar high from yesterday, but still we have resistance from another side just around 0.6560 mark and 0.6590 mark. So resistance is in the test, and I would like to see the price action around this resistance. Do we have a breakout and hold above that, or we have some rejection? So far, just basically observing how the market will react around those levels. Let's go to the USD Japanese yen. So we can see here, USD Japanese yen had quite a big selling at this point, but then again, similar like the Australian dollar, we had a pin bar buying tail 2 days ago, 2 trading days ago, and now market's building higher high and higher low on the daily time frame. So it seems like market will pretty extended to the downside in the last 2 weeks or so, and that's why market is now basically trying to react and have at least a reaction, bull reaction to the upside. So here we can see that market traded near the upper Bollinger Band, and then we had a clean breakout to the upside. So this can be a interesting reversion to the mean on the daily time frame as long as the market can hold 144.49. As long as that's the case, and there will be a chance for a higher prices, maybe even to 150, let's say 150.80 mark or even 151 mark. So, but I will post more about this in a separate video about this trade idea. But there is a chance for the at least reaction higher towards the middle Bollinger Band on the daily time frame. On the British pound versus US dollar, we had a down break, so consolidation, and the down break closed near the low. This is basically a sign of the weakness. Market is holding below the lower Bollinger Band, so there is a chance for the pound dollar to trade towards 1.2620. The trade idea that we have posted like last week is progressing pretty well. This is trade idea was from here, and so far very good progress to the downside. And then we have a USD Canadian dollar. This was a trade idea that we gave for the fake breakout, and market actually reached our first downside objective. Not just that we reached first downside objective, I see potential for the further drop. Remember the trade idea that we posted was the fake breakout of the resistance, and we have posted around this area here. with a protective stop at this point here. And this is the progress after that. So far, we will see we're building new low, and we can see that there is a chance for a pretty big drop from my perspective, maybe all the way down to 1.3 600 mark, short-term speaking. So that can be quite a short-term, a bigger reward. So pretty good progress based on our trade idea on the USD CAD, the sell trade idea that we gave. On the gold market, from another side, we have a more like a consolidation. The last 20 days, market is trading just around the lower and upper Bollinger Band. We had an inside day yesterday. We have pin bar low at 2,364. We have 2,354, like a lower Bollinger Band and a swing low. So as long market is trading in this range, it's just a range development. But I would like to see the breakout of either resistance or support in order to confirm further directional move. Silver is different, so silver is actually weaker, definitely relative weakness on silver compared to the gold. Silver had a bear flag a couple of days ago and now trading lower, still inside day, yesterday compared to 2 days ago. If we can re-break 26.45, there will be a chance maybe for a drop towards 26 mark, and then the next pivot level is around 24.46. US 500. US 500, we can just place, like, for example, RSI. You can see simply here, click RSI, and we have RSI. You can see market is still trading around 35. But we have some like buying tail. This is quite a significant buying tail of the lower Bollinger Band, which marked end of the downside swing, at least so far. And yesterday, market tried to trade higher and then had rejection. So far today, market's trading higher, but inside the previous range. It's some more like buying a tail, but still consolidation relative to the previous days. If the market can clear this tail, selling tail, at 5,316, then there will be a chance for the rally, maybe towards previous swing low or 5,400 mark. But if the market will retake the pin bar low and trade below 5,100 and so, then the next pivot level is probably around, we can take this, so probably around like 5,000 mark. So far, consolidation is going on and waiting for potential breakout. It's very similar situation on the US 30. We can see here that market had an inside day yesterday, 2 days ago. And the same thing, basically, if the market can clear this resistance, there is a chance for the middle Bollinger Band. If market can clear low and support, there is a chance for a drop towards the previous swing low, basically the end of the May low on the US 30. On the WTI, we have a consolidation, daily time frame. We had a pin bar rejection, but then there was a supply candle at this point, so we're in the downside environment, short-term speaking. And if we can retake, so there is a retake and market re-break 72 mark, 71.90, then market can trade lower potentially towards the next pivot levels around 68 mark or 67 mark. Short-term downside environment. And we have a Bitcoin dollar. We gave a sell idea yesterday. That sell idea is still active. Protected stop was around 59,600 mark, and there is a chance. Still, RSI is trading just around 45. There is a chance this whole upside moment was just a bear flag, and we might see the retake and at least retest of 49,000. The bigger drop can cause the market to go even towards 43,000 mark. Coffee market had a reaction day up yesterday with a gap up, but just held resistance in this 237 mark, 237.70. That's basically still consolidation going on, and so far buyers took control from sellers. So there might be some upside continuation. We'll see if market can retake the hourly high and previous day high. If that's the case, then the upper Bollinger Band 250, 251 might be in the play. And on the cocoa market, we didn't have a break of our key support. So markets are just still building consolidation in this around the middle Bollinger Band. And that will be all for this daily FX Central market analysis. Of course, stay tuned for more updates and new trade ideas, and feel free to subscribe on our YouTube channel. And have a good trading day.